If you want a surefire way to drive yourself insane, just watch the hundreds of "the fuck did I just hear" videos you guys have been submitting lately. Here are a few that I liked after hours of perusal.
Hey, what are you doing? Don't sleep on the road.
Don't sleep on the road!
I got a cunt and I'm drunk. I can do anything I want.
What am I thinking of right now?
Penis!
The dog has some serious aggression problems. And just because a dog is small doesn't mean that it can't hurt.
For many days I didn't bring him here because I suffer when he bites me. He bites me in my vagina. When I'm walking and he sees other dog, he right away, he jump on my vagina because he gets so crazy. He doesn't know who I am. He forgets everything. And he bites the Labrador on his penis. I don't want him to bite my Labrador and the penis. My Labrador is a baby. It's beautiful.
I love horses more than I do men.
Mrs. Butterworth, why do you taste so good?
Because I'm black?
I came.
Thanks for watching, guys, and please keep sending in your "the fuck did I just hear" clips so I can make more compilations for you.